Speaking of inclines that won't end, now we're embarking on that long ascent I was talking about. This goes for a while, probably a mile. And other than this little bit right here, it's pretty much all uphill. And we are at 3 out of 5 bars. We are in gear 7 on our Shimano gear set, and we are in pedal assist 2. Okay, pedal assist 2, PAS 2. Can we go up this little zippity doo dah and go on the freaking dirt? Sure we can. Look at this, people. See? Multi-terrain. Multi-terrain. Can we go back down the little curb thing? Sure, you betcha. Wow. Putting this thing through the paces, people. One thing I would not advise on your Swagtron eb7, or any of the foldable Swagtrons for that matter, because this one is the top of the line, is don't be jumping off stuff. Jumping off curbs, jumping off picnic benches, you know, little ramps. It's not that. It's just not. The latch will probably come undone. The freaking wheels will crack. The handlebar stem will break. It's just not good. It's not meant for that. It's meant for a little cruising, very, very light off-road, and just overall light riding, you know? So take that to heart, people. If you're looking for a little something to zip around on, have a little fun, get a little extra push, this might be for you. But if you're looking to get a little aggressive, wrong bike, no sir, find something else. What I do kind of like is the Swagtron. Is it the EB6 or the EB8? I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a little like a BMX bike with the fat tires. That's pretty cool. I like that. I feel like it's gonna have a little bit more durability, you know, off-road capabilities. I'd love to try one of those out. Feeling it in the quads. Feeling it in the quadriceps. Definitely getting some exercise today, people. Coming up on a nice steep incline here pretty soon. Trying to get a little momentum. Hey, these little bikes, momentum is key. Dead stop starting, really hard to get going. Got a little momentum, you can get going. These little tires will actually zip around pretty fast if you got some momentum. For instance, right now we got a little momentum. We're going up this little hill at almost 14 miles an hour. Not bad. Ooh, the glutes, people, the glutes. Starting to feel it on my buttocks. Oh boy. Yeah. Even with the padded bike shorts, still feeling it in the butt, people. Are you seeing this big incline coming up? Maybe it's too far away, but I got a freaking zip. Come on now. Giving it all she's got. Well, we're only in pedal assist 2, but I'm giving it all I got. Let's put it that way. Swagtron eb7. Kinda like the name Swagtron. Kinda cool, you know? I will say I like the look of this bike. I feel like as far as the small foldables, this is as small as I would go. You know? Jetson Bolt. Nah. You know? I feel like this is it. You don't want to go too small. Plus the 16-inch wheels, I mean, not bad. You know, 14 or 12 are just too small. It's like you're riding on top of a Matchbox car, you know what I mean? Gotta have some size. Okay. Now is where the big hill starts. Kind of at the bottom of the big hill. And we're giving her all she's got, people. We're cranking. We're rocking. Dude, I will say that when you're riding this thing, it kind of goes doo, 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 doo. Kind of bounce a little bit. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I don't know if it's the seat or what, but I don't know. A little something extra for you. A little extra entertainment. Overall, somewhat impressed with this little zippity-doo-dah. Little bike, a little foldable, e-foldable. You know, we'll say I got a couple little punctures the other day, and since I don't have another inner tube, I just took out the inner tube and used a patch kit, and she's holding because they were small. I think if you got a decent sized hole, the inner tube's probably not going to hold. So doesn't seem like a very thick inner tube, you know what I mean? Like these teeny little teeny little thorns, like a quarter the diameter of a pencil point, you know, punctured this thing. Like, come on, really? So be careful of that. You know, I'd like to put some tire liners in it. Maybe I'll do that. I have some tire liners for my road bike, you know, but it's like, you know, the really narrow tires. It's just the tire liners are too narrow for this. So maybe they make tire liners for like 1.5 inch. Maybe I'll get those. It'd be nice to put on something like this, then you wouldn't have any problems. Okay, here's the big hill, people. This is pretty steep. I think I'm gonna have to go on TAS 3. Gonna probably have to gear down a little bit. Yeah, here we go. All right, we're in probably gear 4. We're in pedal assist 3. We're bouncing. Binka bunka binka bunka binka. We're bouncing. But we're also rocking it, people. Have you seen this? Oh, really? She's freaking flying by me. That's embarrassing, people. That's embarrassing. Really? Some lady's gonna zip by me at like 10 times my speed? Really? That's demasculating, people. All right. We are zipping along at 8.1 miles an hour. 8.1. We did it, people. Isn't that something? How cool is that? We did it. Flew up at no problem. So the big difference on this bike is between pedal assist 2 and 3. 2, not much. 3, pretty decent. So there's a big jump between 2 and 3. So keep that in mind if you're gonna get one of these. Pedal assist 3 is pretty good. Pedal assist 1 and 2 is a little something, you know, nothing too powerful. Get to hear my brakes. Pretty cool, huh? People know I'm coming.